Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas Fletcher and I'm the host of the LCSW Network. If you're new to the channel, please do me a favor by smashing that like button, by subscribing to the channel, and by sharing this video with your social work colleagues and friends. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of hope and support where social workers can come for relevant news, information, and inspiration. Well, welcome back to Self-Care Saturday. Welcome back to week 45 of our 2021 Wellness Challenge series. If you're new to the channel, I am a social worker who has created this series to provide self-care practices and topics for us as social workers and other licensed mental health professionals that we can use to maintain our own wellness while we are providing essential mental health services to our clients. So back in week 40, we introduced the 8 dimensions of wellness by Samhsa. And we're utilizing the guide that Samhsa created for these videos. So check out the description box. I will leave a link to that Samhsa guide on wellness. All right, so in today's show, we will be discussing improving our spiritual wellness, okay? So the spiritual wellness dimension is a broad concept that represents one's personal beliefs and values and involves having meaning and purpose and a sense of balance and peace. It includes recognizing our search for meaning and purpose in human existence and developing an appreciation for life and the natural forces that exist in the universe. Okay, so let's examine 3 areas to improve our spiritual wellness, starting with beliefs. Question number 1 for us to consider. Are you taking the time to determine what values, principles, and beliefs are important to you? Have you considered talking about them with others? Question number 2. Have you learned about other religions and beliefs, and are you respectful of them? Question number 3. Are you using your spirituality to drive your actions and thoughts and give a better meaning to your life? Okay, so the second area that we can look at to improve our spiritual wellness is involvement. So here are some questions for us to consider in the area of involvement. Question number 1. Have you looked for a group in your community that deepens your spiritual practice and helps you connect with others who share your beliefs? Question number 2. Are you being social with the people in your organization? Question number 3. Do you reach out and help others when they are in need? The third area that we can look at to improve our spiritual wellness is time. So here's some questions to consider in the area of time. Do you take time each day to meditate or reflect on your spirituality? Question number 2. Are you open to exploring different beliefs? Question number 3. Are you receptive to your own spirituality, even in times of pain and grief? This is when we find how our spirituality can help us the most. Question number 4. Do you take time to appreciate the beauty of nature when possible? All right. So if you're new to the channel and to the 2021 Wellness Challenge series, I would invite you to watch my 3 previous videos on connecting with nature, reconnecting with our purpose, and spirituality. I will also leave a link to the Samhsa Wellness publication in the description box below. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. To all the social workers out there, thank you for the work that you do every day for your clients, your agency, and for the profession. Please continue to support each other and yourselves. Bye for now.